This is a large capacity sunflower oil production process, and we can check what equipment is needed to build a sunflower oil pressing plant. And before the sunflower seeds enter the press machine, there are many steps that need to be finished in advance. And this is the elevator to transfer the sunflower seeds into the cleaning machine. The cleaning machine is the first step of the pre-treatment, and there are many different cleaning machines to remove the different impurities from the sunflower seeds. And this one is vibrating screen. It will remove the light impurities of the material by shaking. We can check the machine is shaking all the time to remove the light impurities from the sunflower seeds. And after this machine, the sunflower seeds will enter this magnetic separator. We can check this small equipment. This is a magnetic separator. It will help us to remove the mental impurities from the sunflower seeds, and to help us to prevent the damage of the subsequent equipment. And this destoner will help us to remove the heavy impurities from the sunflower seeds, and through these three cleaning machines we can get the clean sunflower seeds. And now we enter the next stage. This is a cracker. The cracker will help us to make the sunflower seeds into the small piece, and will crack the sunflower seeds, help us to get the mixture of sunflower seeds and kernels and shells. And the elevator will transfer the mixture into the next machine, that is the separator. We need the kernel shell separator to help us get the kernels from the mixture. And after that, this is the flaker. This flaker, if the capacity is big, we can choose to use the flaker, and if the capacity is smaller, we don't have to choose this one. We can just use a single cracker. And this flaker is help us to make the sunflower seeds into the small piece to help us improve the oil yield. And this elevator will transfer the sunflower seeds into the cooker. This step is very important of the pre-treatment, and it aims to bring the temperature and the humidity of the sunflower seeds to the best before the seeds enter the press machine. We can check, and this elevator, this cooker is aimed to the humidity and the temperature to the best before the seeds enter the press machine. And after cooking, the elevator will transfer the seeds into the next stage, that is the press machine and this elevator. And according to our customers' capacity and demand, we will configure another cooker above the press machine. To the useful of this cooker is help us to ensure that the best condition of the seeds are maintained before the seeds enter the press machine. And this is our press machine. Each of our model will be tested many times before it enters the market, so we can ensure that each of our machine is very easy to operate with the high failure rate, with the high oil yield and the low failure rate. So you don't have to. And if you buy the single machine, we will install the machine before the delivery, so you can use the machine directly when you get the machine. And after the press machine, we will enter the next stage, that is the filtration stage. This is the oil residue scraper. It is used to collect the oil residue to the press machine for a secondary press. And this one is the clarification oil tank to filter out a part of the liquid. And this one is a leaf filter. It is a special equipment for the liquid and solid. And by this filtration filter, we can get the clear crude oil, and the oil pump will transfer the oil into the oil storage tank, and we can get the clear oil.